picking up your power. Certainly many you've certainly many of you have heard this term. You've been told to turn inward, look inside. You've been told the world begins within. And so you look inside, and yet what do you see? This non-physical, amorphous, powerful energy that is the root of your entire life. It's complex, it's confusing, and so we want to give you a small perspective on what picking up your power actually means. In order for you as a human to gain mastery over your life, you need to pick up your power. You need to take full 100% personal responsibility for all that is yours to have dominion over. No one can think your thoughts. No one can feel your feelings. No one can give you intuitive messages but you. And this is your domain in your inner world. This is what turning inward means, to be aware of what is going on in these three human dimensions that are in your non-physical domain. And yet, if you take a breath and you breathe that breath into your solar plexus, you can feel your feelings settled there. And if you take a breath into your heart, you can feel the intuition, the voice of compassion within you, always urging you to take the next most advantageous step for the good of the whole. And if you take a breath and you feel into your brain and your head and the intellect, always working overtime, filled with the chaos of thoughts, creation, descriptions, judgments, impressions, and decisions are made. So these are your three human dimensions that when you pick up your power, you take 100% full responsibility for everything you think, everything you feel, and all the intuitions that are flowing through you. And to do that, you must cultivate what we call a witness. Observe yourself. Pay attention to who you really are. And by doing this, you take the first steps to truly unifying your own energy field. And when you do that, you'll only need to watch and be amazed